You really have got your hair system on, Harrison, honestly, so don't worry about it. It's still there.
Good.
Because
I can't live without it.
Because joking aside, that's what it does for you, isn't it? The hair system.
Yeah.
He won't open his eyes,
I
everyone,
will not
because
open my eyes.
he has got his hair system on.
Hal, tell me I've got it on.
Yeah, he's still got it on. Can I bring you in?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Go on in, Ollie. Too busy looking good? That mop of hair on your head? So that's mud pack that Ollie's put on, and gets all the oils out of the scalp. And it does help the bond. Right, hey Harrison, hey Ollie.
Hi.
Hi, hey. Right, so what we're doing, Harrison's used adhesive all the way over. I think it's Ghost Bond, isn't it?
Ghost Bond, yeah.
So what we're doing, because of all the dancing and teaching that this young man does, we're going to teach him how to tape up with Extender Bond. Now, Extender Bond is an excellent tape. It's like an adhesive tape. It's, in my opinion, it's just as strong as adhesive, and it's got little perforated holes in it. And that.
So this is the back.
Yeah.
Of the,
Yeah, this is the back of the system. This is the front. We'll glue the front of the system. Just put extender bond around the perimeter at the back.
Okay.
And leave the middle free, Harrison, right? Because it breathes better. Yeah?
Does it?
Oh, honestly, yeah. It's
That's what does nerve me a bit.
Yeah, it will.
Having nothing there, like, attached.
That's a good question, but Ollie could put tapes in the middle as well, just for that
Maybe
security.
just one strip, just for my...
Yeah, that's good. That's no problem at all. And so this is a taping up, so this is the kind of thing you do. And it's just...
So, to do this, would I have to take it all off?
Eventually, that's what you probably learn to do. Like, you think about your schedule, right? Yeah, and it's only going to get worse, isn't it?
This is what I mean. This would probably be my best option. But I
It
have
scares
to
you.
learn to do it, yeah.
Yeah. So we're just showing...
saying that,
Yeah, go on.
the adhesive scared me at first. Do you know what I mean?
Everything scared you at the first time.
It did, didn't it? Like, I was scared of everything, but then once you get into the routine of things, it does get better.
And well, you think about what you do for work.
Yeah.
Then routine. That's all about routine, isn't it?
Yeah.
And training. So we'll probably get, if you can get in to see us after today, reasonably quick, and we'll spend a couple of hours and teach you doing it. Right. So there we go. I'll just come in, and Ollie's doing a great job.
So you're leaving everyone for a reason?
Yeah, it's basically I'm going to recover it just before we put it on.
Yeah. So basically, it's just that's the easiest way to tape up, and then Ollie will put the covers back on, or the attachments, the white bits back on, because it's still tacky. And then before you attach the system yourself, then you peel them all off, and it's ready to go on.
Okay.
Right, so that's just a brief, but well done. Okay, excellent stuff. Perfect. Scalp protector.
What's this?
Scalp protector. If you haven't got any, I'll have to give you some. It just helps with the bond.
I haven't got any of that. Yeah, you want to use it, man. Is it good?
Yes.
What to do?
Dry it out.
It keeps it's like a seal. Keeps the adhesive separate from the skin a little bit, and does help. Back again.
Hi.
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 Ollie. Hi.
Hello.
Right, there we go. We're using, hopefully, Phantom. Shall I go? Shall we sing? The Phantom of the Opera. We don't know anything.
I didn't know it. No.
Keep your head still now. And this is Phantom, which is designed for sweaty heads. There we go. So that will go on, and then cure transparent probably after 4 or 5 minutes. Nice daps.
Thank you very much, fans.
I'll be a fan of them as well.
Cool, right, head right up for me. Thank you. A little bit lower. That's it. A little bit lower again. That's perfect. Okay, and your head down a little bit, mate. Thank you. head down a bit more. Thank you. Okay, head down a tiny bit more. That's it.
Bingo! Let's have a look at you.
Oh, not ready.
Well done. Little Red Riding Hood look.
Little red from the hood.
Yeah. While Ollie's doing this, it just secures the bond. He's being careful at the front. Look at that. It's looking good, isn't it?
Wish you could see. How were you saying?
Obviously, I'm gonna thin it out
Yeah.
on the sides and stuff, just so it's a bit softer around the edges.
I trust you all.
Good. Now that's TLC at its highest level. Right, so it's a video of Harrison has his hair forward with his look, but the reason I like video in this is because you're going to start smiling now, aren't you? You're right in the corner of the screen. You can just see how natural that front hairline looks. It looks incredible, doesn't it, Ollie? Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks unbelievable. And that's the benefit of getting the skin colour right. Can you remember that when you came?
Yeah.
Matching the skin is fantastic.
It's crazy, like this is giving you so much confidence now.
I can't believe it.
So have you seen a difference in Harrison?
Oh my god, and his confidence, 100%. Like, when he had no hair, like, he used to wear a hat every time he filmed. Like, I'd be like, H, like, the hat doesn't go with the suit. You'd be like, I can't take it off, I've got no hair.
I'd have like a smart suit on or a snapback.
Yeah, so like, you're just like the old H that I remember now. It's crazy how much hair affects men.
That's
You
what
don't
I'm
even
saying.
realise it, you. Like, with us, we can chuck in hair extensions, like, it's fine. But with men, once they go bald, they don't see any, like, they don't, not many people know about this.
That's what I mean.
Yeah,
But you're going to tell everyone, aren't you?
I'm going to tell everyone about it. Because this is saving lives.
There's a little chuckle behind
Like,
me.
not only that, some men are embarrassed
Yeah.
and they feel like they got a prize.
I don't think it's embarrassing.
No, I'm not.
Because I wear wigs all the time to change my hair, and if I went bald, I'd live in a wig. Do you know what I mean? So I feel like, yeah, a lot of this needs to be known about.
Like, just as much as hair extensions, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's crazy.
And
Like,
not many people do it either.
like this has actually changed your life.
I know. I could never go back to what I was before.
And I seen you on holiday swimming and stuff in it,
Yeah,
and I
no.
was just like, what the hell?
That's what I mean. You can go in water, shower,
That's
blow
so
dry
cool.
hair.
So it's like your
You can
hair.
dye hair with bleach.
It's mad.
That's why they got bleach. I asked just now, didn't I? I said I was a bleacher.
Well, don't be bleaching in out here.
I'm not.
No one knows either day, unless they knew you.
No,
like,
unless you know me personally. When I tell people, they're like, oh my god, Harrison, shut up. And I'm like, no, look. And then they're like, I can't see nothing. I'm like, look closely. And they're like, oh my god.
That's crazy.
Go mad.
And you're actually getting like a barber to cut it now.
Yeah, I know.
It's mad.
Hey, Ollie the barber.
So does that make it like look more natural?
Yeah.
Yeah, like, and like, no, like, how I have my hair. They just do it how I like it. Otherwise, you just put it on top. It's just like...
Just like your hair,
Yeah.
like literally. And the texture's like good as well. It's like your texture to your hair. Oh, I'm happy for you.
I'm so happy. Like, it get to the point where I'd be, like, in winter's christening, I was so embarrassed because I had no hair.
Yeah.
And I had to sit in front, I sit in front row, and I'm always thinking...
You were just cautious about it all the time.
Oh,
weren't you?
and like, how am I a hat in church? I was thinking, what are people thinking behind me, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Are they looking at it like...
But no
it'd be
one
like-
probably cares though.
No,
but
I
like
know, but
obviously it's in
obviously
your
it's you.
head. Like what? Same as me when I used to be in school and I used to have knits. I used to sit in the front of the sit in the front and I used to be like, oh my god, everyone's looking at my knits. Do you know what I mean? Like, so I know how you feel. I haven't got knits anymore.
Oh god.
So what's happened? We're done, are we?
We're done.
We are done and
Right
done.
back.
Done.
Talk.
Oh my god, it's...
You can't even tell.
No,
me.
no.
Even after the last time, it's like even thickened again. No, because it's like my second time I've grown the sides there. It just feels like it's
Right. I'll tell you what, spinning round on the chair.
I'm doing it myself.
Yeah.
Keep that.
Keep going. Winter,
Right,
what my hair's like.
Do you like Harrison's hair? Do you like it?
That looks good, doesn't it?
I want to see
Yeah,
it.
you got a nice thick mop there.
I know.
So good. You never know.
You
You
still
impressed,
dancing?
Letitia?
Huh? I'm very
Check
impressed.
it out.
Well done, Ollie. Sat in the corner. I think round of applause for Ollie.
Well done, Rob.
Hey.